Most people see a top hat as a fashion statement, but for me, it represents the meaning of a strong marriage. Today, I'm going to invite you on a brand new journey as I design 101 unique top hats. And along the way, I'm going to share with you many life-changing lessons hidden in each one. Now, before I tell you how this whole adventure started, let me give you a quick glimpse on what I mean. The crown of the top hat is the part that rises up from the brim. To me, it represents the strength and leadership a husband brings into his marriage. The brim, the part around the crown, it provides support, balance, beauty to the crown. So to me, it's the nurturing grace and encouragement a wife brings into the marriage. Now, neither one of these, the brim or the crown, works without the other, or you wouldn't even have a top hat, or any hat for that matter. And with that in mind, as I create each of these 101 hats, we're going to explore lessons that tie the top hat to making a strong marriage. So I'm glad that you're here. Yes, I truly love making and designing top hats as well as wearing them. Honestly, both. And I'm inviting you to join me on this brand new journey. I'm going to attempt to, no, I'm not going to attempt to, but yes, will be making 101 different unique top hats. So join me. It's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully it'll give you some ideas for your own hats, whether they be top hats or cowboy hats or any kind of hats for that matter, because you can embellish any kind of hat if you'd like to. I'm going to be using the top hat as the kind of the canvas, the way any artist would use a blank piece of canvas, designing each one to be unique and one of a kind. Every top hat that I create is made to ensure that we celebrate life. Yes, love life adds a little sweetness to my day. Plus, I'm going to be wearing these top hats. When I do, and the people I meet, it brings a few extra smiles to their face. That's what the journey of life is all about. Giving to others, just adding a little bit of extra to their day. Yes, a little smile. Now, I want to be clear. I'm not going to just be making a whole bunch of tutorials on generic top hats. Everything I make and design, whether it's the top hat or one of the luxury wedding ring holders over at luxuryringhaven.com, carries a special meaning. These aren't just objects, they're works of my art. Yes, a top hat makes a bold statement, whereas a wedding ring holder is the guardian of the most important symbol of a marriage, the wedding ring. I truly enjoy the process of creating both. Yes, I love being an artist, and now a little bit of backstory about how all this came about. About a year ago, I got back in my art studio and started making some custom wedding ring holders. I'd made some in the past, and I thought, well, I'm going to make some more. I've always been drawn to the uniqueness of each ring holder, and that got me thinking about the best way to present myself as an artist in this new chapter of my life. Years ago, I saw somebody wearing a top hat and thought, man, that looks pretty cool. I'd like to wear one of those someday. And I even recall carving a little man with a top hat when I was around 10 years old, and I still have that carving. So a little over a year ago, I bought my first top hat, a gray charcoal top hat. In fact, it's the one I'm wearing right now. I started wearing it in some of my early wedding ring holder videos. Some of you may have seen some of those. Then in late 2025, I started walking a little bit for exercise over at the North Park Mall here in Dallas. Some of you may have known that I had open heart surgery 7 years ago, and I figured it was time to get a little exercise, as well as some other reasons that I'll share with you in the later videos. As Christmas rolled around, I spotted a Santa Claus impersonator. In fact, I have a picture of him. Let me see, right here at the North Park Mall. He was there daily for some weeks before Christmas, entertaining the children. I thought, I need a red top hat to go with Christmas, so I purchased one. And at the time, I didn't realize there were different crown heights, which is the crown is this right here, part of the hat. I quickly discovered I preferred the taller ones. See if you can see the difference here. They simply fit my style a little bit better, and they bring a smile to people's faces when I meet them. As you might have noticed, a lot of people are kind of walking around with a frown on their face, going, and just to see me, they always brings a smile, a sudden smile, and it cheers them up a little bit. So just seeing me when I'm wearing my top hat, it cheers them up, brings them a little joy for the day. Some people even stop me, wanted to take a picture, and even had one guy that wanted to do a little short video with me, which I thought was a little bit over the top, but oh well. That's when things started to snowball, and I started collecting more different colors of top hats. Then I embellished them a little bit, making each one a little bit more my personality. I met a couple over in North Park Mall one day. They suggested I make different hats for the holidays, and I thought that might be just a little bit much, but I thought, well, I'll give it a try. So I took my Christmas hat, the red one, dressed it up a little bit for Valentine's Day, and then I did a St. Patty's Day hat with my green hat. And then the Mardi Gras hat, which I did, which, to be honest, I think it was a little bit over the top, but people absolutely loved it. That was one that really people liked. That's where this journey really accelerated, and as I look back at all the hats I've already made, which I've made probably 20 or 25 already, I realized how much I love creating the creative process of making the hats. And I should be clear, I don't just make the hats from scratch, I embellish them. At first, I tried to design them so I could swap out the embellishments and reuse the same hat. But honestly, it's a lot more fun just to finish one and let it be its own piece of art and move on to the next. That's when the idea hit me. Why don't I try to make 101 different top hats? Perhaps even a whole room in my home just to display all these hats, or maybe just one wall to display these. Yes, 101 uniquely embellished top hats. And you're going to follow me as I make every single one. And I'm going to be sharing stories with each hat as we go along on this journey. We're going to start fresh right here. And we're going to go all the way through. One more thing. And before we go any further, if you have a friend who's getting ready to tie the knot, or somebody who's recently just got married, hit the share button and send them this video so they can follow along as we make this 101 hats. We're going to be talking about the creative strength that you're going to need for your marriage, many little things that'll help your relationship stay strong. If you wondering why I'm pouring so much energy into every single hat, and you made it this far, in my next video I'm going to show you the exact details of what a top hat and your wedding vows have in common. Hint: the crown and the brim. Promise you, once you see it, you'll never look at either one the same. It's all going to tie together. The hats, the wedding rings, holders, the art, all of it. So join me on the journey, and I'll see you on the next video where we'll discover what a top hat and your wedding ring vows have in common. Have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus.